Welcome to Travel Partner. We're so glad you're here, ready to embark on a journey that's a little different from the usual tourist trail. Today, we're planning your unforgettable trip to Greece with a twist. Instead of the busy summer crowds, we're going in the magical off-season, when the country reveals its most authentic side. Why off-season? It's the secret to experiencing Greece's true magic. Away from the crowds, you'll find tranquil beaches, peaceful villages, and a slower pace that lets you soak in every moment. Imagine wandering ancient ruins in peace, with only the sound of your footsteps echoing through history, and the sunrise painting the stones gold just for you. Or sipping coffee in a local cafe, surrounded by real Greek life, watching neighbors greet each other, hearing the language flow, and feeling like you truly belong. This is your guide to making that dream a reality, from picking the perfect time to visit, to packing smart for the season, and even learning a few Greek phrases to connect with locals. At Travel Partner, we believe travel is about connection, making memories, not just checking sites off a list. It's about laughter with new friends and stories you'll tell for years. Off-season Greece means more chances to chat with locals, try authentic food, and discover hidden gems that most tourists miss. You'll get to enjoy local festivals, listen to street musicians, and feel the country's real rhythm, alive and welcoming, just for you. We'll cover the best months to visit, what to expect with the weather, and how to plan every detail for a smooth, stress-free adventure. Think of this as your friendly checklist for a stress-free Greek holiday, so you can focus on the fun, not the fuss. Ready to discover a more personal, meaningful side of Greece? Let's dive in and start planning your Mediterranean escape together. Subscribe to our newsletter for more tips, inspiring stories, and exclusive guides to help you make the most of your travels. Let's make your Greek dream come true, together. We're here every step of the way, cheering you on. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. Your adventure begins now. Let's go explore Greece like never before. Why visit Greece in the off-season? While most travelers flock here in the summer, there's a secret side to Greece that only reveals itself when the crowds have gone home. First, peace and quiet. Imagine wandering through charming villages and along the coast with no crowds, no lines, just you and the wonders of Greece, all to yourself. The atmosphere is calm, and you can truly soak in the beauty without distractions. Famous sites like the Acropolis or Santorini's cliffs feel almost private. You can take your time, snap photos without waiting, and really connect with the history and magic of these places. Off-season travel is also budget-friendly. Flights and hotels are much cheaper, so your money goes further. You might even find deals on unique stays or last-minute upgrades. With those savings, you can stay longer, try more local food, or take a cooking class. Indulge in authentic Greek cuisine at cozy tavernas, where you'll be treated like family. Locals have more time to chat, making your experience more authentic and personal. You'll hear stories, learn traditions, and maybe even make new friends. The weather? Mild and perfect for exploring. No sweltering heat, just gentle sunshine and cool breezes. It's ideal for sightseeing and outdoor adventures. You'll have energy to hike, sightsee, and relax outdoors. The landscapes are just as stunning, and you'll have them almost to yourself. Off-season Greece is about discovery, adventure, and real connection. It's a chance to see the country in a new light, away from the usual tourist rush. It's the best way to see the country's heart and soul, to experience daily life and traditions that are often hidden in peak season. Ready for a richer, more relaxed Greek adventure? Off-season travel lets you slow down and savor every moment. Let's find out when to go and unlock the magic of Greece at its most authentic. Wondering when to plan your dream Greek getaway, but hoping to avoid the crowds and high prices? The best months for an off-season Greek trip might surprise you. Aim for April, May, early June, late September, October, or early November. These months are known as the shoulder seasons, when Greece is at its most welcoming and authentic. During these times, you'll find plenty of sunshine, comfortable temperatures, and far fewer tourists than in the busy summer months. It's the perfect balance for a relaxing trip. Spring brings wildflowers and lush landscapes, ideal for hiking, photography, and exploring the countryside as everything bursts into color. In autumn, the sea stays warm for swimming, while the air turns crisp. Perfect for city strolls, seaside sunsets, and enjoying local cafes. Want to experience Greek Easter or the olive harvest? Time your trip for unique local festivals and traditions that bring villages to life. These special events offer a chance to connect with locals, taste authentic cuisine, and see Greece's vibrant culture up close. For beach lovers, late May, June, and September are ideal. The water is warm, the beaches are peaceful, and you'll have plenty of space to unwind. If you're into history and culture, April, May, and October are perfect for exploring ancient ruins and museums without the crowds. Even early November can be lovely, especially in southern Greece, where the weather stays mild and inviting. Choose your dates based on your interests. Whether you crave nature, food, history, or pure relaxation, there's a perfect time for you. With the right timing, you'll enjoy the best of Greece minus the crowds and create memories that last a lifetime. Ready to explore Athens and beyond? Let's go. Athens in the off-season is a revelation. Start at the Acropolis. No crowds, just you and ancient history. Take your time with the Parthenon and soak in panoramic city views. Wander Plaka's cobblestone streets and discover Anaphiotica's island-like charm. Visit the Acropolis Museum and National Archaeological Museum. Quiet, spacious, and inspiring. Experience modern Athens, browse Monastiraki Flea Market, explore Siri and Gazi for street art and great food. In the off-season, you'll dine with locals and taste authentic Greek dishes. Ask for recommendations and try the daily special. Athens is where ancient and modern Greece meet. Enjoy both sides in peace. Next, let's discover the islands. Santorini awaits. Santorini in the off-season is pure magic. No crowds, just stunning sunsets and peaceful villages. Wander Oya and Fira at your own pace and find your perfect sunset spot. Enjoy authentic tavernas and taste Santorini's unique produce and wines. Visit a local winery for a relaxed tasting experience. Beyond Santorini, consider Crete, Greece's largest island with mild winters and endless things to do. Explore Knossos, hike Samaria Gorge, or relax in Chania and Rethymno. Rhodes and Corfu are also fantastic off-season choices, with rich history and beautiful landscapes. Choose larger islands for more open services and a lively local vibe. Off-season islands offer tranquility without feeling deserted. Ready to book your trip? Here's how. Booking your off-season Greek adventure is easy and affordable. Start with flights. Use comparison sites like Google Flights or Skyscanner, and be flexible with dates for the best deals. Book 2 to 3 months ahead for top savings. For accommodation, look beyond big hotels. Family-run guest houses and apartments offer authentic experiences at lower prices. Read recent reviews and contact properties directly for special rates. Plan unique experiences. Book a private tour, join a cooking class, or try a local workshop. Use Airbnb experiences or get your guide to find local activities. Subscribe to our newsletter for more tips and inspiration. Planning is part of the fun. Let us help you every step of the way. With these steps, you're set for a stress-free, unforgettable trip. Next, what to pack? Let's get you ready. Packing for Greece's off-season? Think layers. Weather can shift from cool mornings to sunny afternoons. Bring lightweight shirts, sweaters, and a fleece or jacket. Comfortable jeans or trousers are a must, plus sturdy walking shoes for cobblestones and ruins. Add sandals for warmer days, but closed-toe shoes are essential. Don't forget sun protection, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. A scarf is versatile for warmth or visiting churches. Pack a reusable water bottle, a small umbrella or rain jacket, and some cash for small purchases. Smart packing means you're ready for anything. Relax and enjoy every moment. Now let's talk Greek culture. Greek hospitality, philoxenia, is legendary. Connect by learning a few words. Yassas, hello. Efcharisto, thank you. At meals, don't rush. Greeks savor their food and company. If invited to dinner, bring a small gift. Dress respectfully when visiting churches. Cover shoulders and knees. A scarf is handy for this. Take a volta, an evening stroll, and enjoy a coffee at a traditional cafeneo. Be open to conversations. Locals love sharing their culture. Respect, curiosity, and friendliness will turn you from tourist to welcome guest. These connections are the real treasures of your trip. Ready for your journey? You're ready for an incredible off-season adventure in Greece. Crowd-free, authentic, and unforgettable. From Athens' ancient wonders to the peaceful islands, your story is about to begin. Travel Partner is here to help you create meaningful memories. Subscribe for more guides and inspiration. Pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and get ready to say yassas to new friends. May your journey be safe, your meals delicious, and your heart full. Happy travels! We can't wait to hear about your Greek adventure.